Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video. I had this yarn in my stash for over 10 years. I have knitted a bridal shrug and ended up with 770 grams of yarn left. So I was trying to figure out what to do, and lately I've been knitting extra small to medium size. It fits up. The mannequin is a medium size, so it fits up. The sleeves, unfortunately, I tried to knit the length, so the sleeves are about 3 to 4 inches from underarm. So it's this is for sale on my Etsy shop, posted there. So it's a V-neck, no button, short sleeves, just covers your underarm. So it's pretty neat. It's like a vest. And just wanted to share this so you can follow my tutorials and knit something like this. I did not do increases. As you can see, I just did it under the front increase. So it gave me this look, and I do have tutorials, so check my top-down tutorials. You guys take care. Bye-bye.